All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still in the decrypting the private key in Python section of the module. So let's go over some light reading. So note to use the account.decrypt, we will have to import the account library. And since we already have it in our encrypt key file, we can just copy and paste it from there. This is how we would do that. We would say from ETH account, import account. Now I did have some confusion yesterday. I told you that this ETH account was a part of the encrypt account, the encrypt key file. It is in a sense it's the same part of the file, but it's not. It's a standalone. I don't have to actually import this encrypt key file into our deploy files to get access to this ETH account. The only reason I mentioned this here is because we copy and pasted it from this encrypt key file, but it's a standalone. We don't have to actually import this encrypt key file to get access to this ETH account file that we want to import the account library from. So just to clear that up. So again, we don't actually need the encrypt key file to bring this ETH account over. It's its own thing. Only reason I mentioned it again, the encrypt key file, is because we copied and pasted it from that file instead of just double typing it. That's the only difference. So this will give us access to the account library in our deploy favorites.py file. Then we will print a message using the print statement, letting us know that we just decrypted our private key. This is how we would do that. We would say print decrypted key. So we're letting us know our key was just decrypted. Lastly, we'll have the function return the key, and we will modify our define decrypt key function to return a string by using a type hint. This is how we will modify it to use a type hint. We will say define decrypt key function. We want to return a string. This is the type hint we want to str is our type hint. That's the source of string, so we want to return a string. Now this will tell a function that we will be returning a string in the process. Now our function is completely functional and we can decrypt our private key for us. Now one thing we can do from here is remove the hard-coded private key variable we have since we no longer need it. As you saw, it's functioning without the private key being hard-coded because we have it commented out. So basically that's how we actually decrypt our private key using the ETH account in the import account. So yeah, when we get back into the contract, I'll show you again how we did it and why we no longer need the private key. I'll actually delete it altogether so you can see that it is still functional and operational without having it at all in our code. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way as we move forward. And for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.